The end of the school year is coming up and you need a gift for graduate. In this video, I'll share the best gift cards to buy for graduates of all ages. I'm Shelly Hunter, Gift Card Girlfriend. As your consumer guide to gift cards, my goal is to help you pick the best gift card for any occasion and use the full value of the gift cards you already have. So if you like to give gift cards or sometimes feel like you get stuck with a gift card you can't use, subscribe to this channel and I will help you out. Graduation is a great time of year. I love taking that moment to celebrate a big accomplishment while gearing up for the next adventure. Whether it's middle school promotion, high school graduation, college, or another achievement, in this video we'll talk about the best gift cards to give for graduation. And stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus tip on how much to spend on graduation gift cards. Now, before I get to the list, I want you to first think about your graduate and write down two things for me. One, what is something they love to do right now? If they don't have schoolwork or life getting in the way, what's something your graduate likes to do for fun? Is it golf, going to the movies, reading a book that's not a textbook? Think about it. And number two, what's coming next for your graduate? Are they going to high school, off to college, getting their first job? That's important to note because when I think about graduation gift cards, I think the best gift cards are ones that either celebrate the right now, meaning take a break, do something you love and enjoy the moment, or gear up for what's next, meaning you're going to be decorating a dorm room, you're starting your first job and you'll need professional clothes, or you're moving across the country to go to graduate school. While any gift card is likely to be appreciated, the more useful ones are those that fit into one of those two categories. So with that in mind, let's get to my list and see how your graduate fits in. It's no secret that Visa gift cards and MasterCard gift cards can be used to buy almost anything. They can be used to pay for dinner and a movie or laundry detergent and cleaning supplies for the apartment. Visa gift cards can be used to pay for doctor copays, gas, and even the utility bill as long as it's not a recurring payment. So I love the flexibility of this bank-issued gift card and know that graduates will easily be able to use it on an immediate celebration or down the road preparation. Of course, you can get a generic Visa or MasterCard gift card, but if you plan ahead just a little, you can customize the Visa gift card with a picture of your graduate. I took this picture of my daughter when she tried on her cap and gown and gave it to her as a graduation gift card on her graduation day. It's not a picture we would frame, but it's the perfect picture for a graduation gift card. You can do the same or upload a picture from their first day of school, a selfie from spring break, one of their senior photos, and so forth. Have fun with it because this is a super fun gift card to give. Now, a couple of things to know. Visa gift cards cost a little bit extra, $4 to $6 depending on where you buy it from and how much you put on the card. If you order a custom gift card, I would allow about 10 days to get the gift card delivered without you paying extra. Now, that's probably more than enough time, but that's a guideline to be safe. If you want a gift card faster and you don't want to pay for shipping at all, then order a Visa e-gift card. You can still personalize it with pictures, videos, and messages, but it gets delivered quickly and shipping is free. Plus, you can schedule delivery. So you can order it today, but schedule that gift card to arrive on the day of graduation. You can get custom Visa and MasterCard gift cards at giftcards.com or a regular Visa gift card without the customization at most major grocery stores. Recently, Blackhawk Network launched an evolving line of gift cards called multi-store gift cards. These gift cards are usable at any of the stores and restaurants listed on the cards. Currently, there's a happy graduation gift card that fits the occasion, but you might like one that features more restaurants or clothing stores, depending on what your graduate will need. What you need to know about multi-store gift cards is that you get the added flexibility of not being tied to any one store without paying extra, which I love. Multi-store gift cards are also available at giftcards.com and most major grocery stores. Speaking of flexibility, Amazon gift cards can be used to buy an insane amount of products. It has to be millions. I have no idea. But what I do know is that for every transition in my life and for my kids as they've graduated from one school and headed to the next, we've turned to Amazon to get our supplies. From bed sheets and bed skirts to dorm room essentials and more, it's almost always easier to find what you need from Amazon rather than in stores. Plus, if your graduate won't have a car when they head off to college, delivery is key. And a side note, my son recently went to college in another state. When he applied for his new driver's license, he had to show proof of residency, including his room assignment, student ID, and another form of identification. The DMV let him bring up his Amazon history to prove his shipping address is the same as his living address. Trust me, Amazon knows where you live. My daughter recently returned from serving a mission for my church and is now back at college as well. Amazon has saved her several trips to the store, because honestly, you don't know what you need until you settle into that new room. Only then do you realize, oh, I need an extension cord, or we need a baking sheet, or I need a nightlight. And if your graduation transition is nothing more than going from middle school to high school, well, graduates can use that gift card to buy things like a new gaming headset, flip-flops for the summer, or a Bluetooth speaker. I guess I can't say enough about Amazon gift cards for graduation. Okay, I'm done. You get nearly the same flexibility, but an in-store experience when you buy Target and Walmart gift cards. Yes, you can buy sheets online, but if you want to match the colors or feel the textures or get stuff tonight, then a gift card to a store you can visit or shop online is a great fit. With Target, I also like that you can add a note such as, "Congratulations on hitting your target." Whether heading to a new school in the same town or across country for your first job, most graduates will want or need some new clothes. Maybe it's an interview suit, maybe it's a swimsuit for summer, maybe it's business casual or college casual. Whatever it is, select the appropriate clothing store gift card to help graduates look their best. For business, think Banana Republic, Nordstrom, Macy's, Ann Taylor, and more. For college, maybe it's Old Navy, Anthropologie, Gap, and American Eagle. For high school, maybe a little more Forever 21 and H&M. For middle school, it's probably PacSun. I also love discount department store gift cards like Marshall's and TJ Maxx if your graduate is the shopping kind. Even when my family had very little money, we still got new shoes at the start of each school year. If your graduate is taking a gap year or doing some post-school travel, the new shoes are needed as well. I like DSW for almost any shoe need, but you might try Zappos, Converse, Nike, Foot Locker, and more. I also like adding a note that says, "Oh, the places you'll go," or helping you start your career off on the right foot, or best to put your best foot forward at your new job or school. I could go on. I do like puns. For graduates who are taking a break or for those who want to celebrate with the here and now before they leave, get a gift card for an adventure. It could be a travel gift card such as a Southwest Airlines gift card or a gas station gift card for a road trip. It could even be Jiffy Lube to take care of the car. Now stick around to the end for me to share my tip on how much to spend on a gift card, because this matters a lot when it comes to travel gift cards. But in general, this can be a gift card to the water park, an amusement park, whitewater rafting, bowling, or even the movies. If your graduate has had their head down in a book for years, then get a gift card they can use to let loose a little before real life settles in again. I've got some free printable gift card holders for graduates on my blog as well. I'll link to those in the show notes. Similar to the adventure gift cards, all work and no play can't be good for anyone. Get a sporting goods gift card for graduates so they can go golfing, play pickup basketball, buy new athleisure wear, or work out in style, or gear up to take a camping trip. When my son graduated from high school, he and his buddies went camping for a few nights. We have a fair amount of gear they could borrow, but when he went off to college, he took a sleeping bag and a few other essentials so he could continue having outdoor adventures in his new place. If your graduate likes being out in nature, get a gift card to help make that happen. When I went to college, nobody had their own computer. Things have changed. With technology in the classroom at every age, kids in kindergarten know what they want, maybe even more than adult professionals. You can't go wrong with an electronics store gift card. Think Best Buy, Apple, Google, Staples, eBay, etc. And while you're at it, collect coupons and catalogs you see that offer discounts. There's no reason graduates can't learn how to stretch the dollars on their big purchases. Whether a graduate is moving into the dorms or heading out into the workforce, there will most certainly be days of packing and moving that leave little time and opportunity for cooking. Or once graduates get settled, they'll need the occasional break from the cafeteria. Get graduate a favorite restaurant gift card, one that will be nearby campus or the office, or get a food delivery gift card that can be used to pick up any local meal. When it comes to food delivery gift cards, select one that is active in the graduate's new area. There's DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and more. I would ask around or call a few restaurants in the new area to be sure. And you can also try a multi-store gift card with several restaurants on it. Those work as well. Finally, if your graduate is going to a new school, get a gift card to the school store. They can buy game day gear, books, or snacks in between classes. If your graduate is staying local, get a gift card to a local shop that carries Spiritwear. And if your graduate is done with classes and is moving to the workforce, get a gift card to a local shop in that area. Okay, I promised to give you one more tip on how much to spend on a gift card. Quickly, before I tell you that, let me remind you to subscribe to this channel because I've got the answers to all of your gift card questions here. Plus, I do answer the comments myself. So I want to hear from you. I want to know what questions you have and stories of the best graduation gift cards you've received as well. So how much should you spend on a gift card? In general, you should get a gift card that allows the recipient to buy a whole gift, meaning they shouldn't have to spend their own money to redeem the gift. Now, this is especially important when it comes to travel gift cards, amusement park gift cards, or places that are a little more spendy. If you're not giving an amount that covers the entire purchase, then I would select a different gift card. And that's okay, because you should never exceed your budget to impress someone or to send a message. Just pick a different gift card. For $20, you can get a pizza delivered from Domino's or get dorm room essentials delivered from Amazon. For $40, you can get a couple of new shirts from Old Navy or a great meal at Buffalo Wild Wings. For $50, a Visa gift card is super useful, and for $100, you can get a full set of bedding at Target. Don't overspend your budget on a gift card, but make sure the recipient doesn't have to either. Okay, so what other questions do you have about graduation gift cards or about gift cards in general? This is my all day, every day, so I'm here to help you pick the best gift cards for any occasion and use the gift cards you already own. It is what I live for. Happy gift carding, and thanks for watching.